Hi! Did you know that you can turn a regular screenshot into a live photo? Many people think it's impossible, but there are actually a few simple ways to create a live photo from a screenshot. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. The process is quick, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require any advanced skills. Just follow along, and you'll be able to create your own live photo in just a few minutes.